This demo introduces a new way of reordering entries in repeatable blocks of fields. Let's first remind ourselves of what is meant by repeatable block. These are groups of fields that are displayed together to describe a property or a type of data in a consistent way. There are two types. One is tables and the other is lists. By way of example, I will show a table, but lists work in the same way. I navigate to the section on hydrolysis, which for Reach is 5.1.2. Then click on Materials and Methods. Here we can see a tabular view for the field Duration of Test. Each row is a block that contains the same set of fields. In previous versions of Euclid, the only way to change the order of rows was to drag and drop the rows on the dotted icon, like this. In the new version of Euclid, this function is retained, but there is now a new feature which allows rows to be moved straight to a row of a particular number. In this example, I know I want the new data, which has been added in the top row here, to be moved to row 42. This can be done directly by hovering in the Actions column to reveal the icons, selecting the double arrow icon, then entering the number in the box under Move to Position here. Pressing the Enter key makes the move. I will now scroll down to row 42, where we can see the new data. The new feature also allows moves of one position at a time here. Now let's take a quick look at repeatable blocks displayed in a list. I navigate to the section Uses at Industrial Sites. Open a document, then scrolling down we can see here for Contributing Activity or Technique for Workers we have a list. The icons for actions are at the top right of each block of fields here. We can see the double arrow and the same functionality as for tables.